Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best GoPro cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is AKASO Brave 4K 20MP Wi-Fi Action Camera. Looking for an affordable action camera for kids? Choose AKASO Brave 4K 20MP Wi-Fi Action Camera. Customers have raved this product because of its affordability and also the dynamic performance that it offers. If you are taking your kids outdoors and are searching for a camera that will click amazing pictures and also will be easy to handle, AKASO Brave is the product for you. It is the perfect GoPro alternative for kids. The best part about this product is that it is super affordable. This is a perfect gift for any kid. Trust me, they will thank you. AKASO Brave is the most amazing sports camera for kids. If you are taking your kids hiking, skating, or other remote locations for a quick getaway, this camera will help them get a Wi-Fi signal anywhere. Download free apps on this camera, and with the steady signal, you can edit and share photos and videos in the most remote locations. Not even rain can make an impact on this powerful waterproof action camera. Just make sure your kids use the waterproof case that is present in the packaging of this camera. When you take your kids swimming or surfing, they can easily record their adventures. This camera lets you take dynamic shots even 30 meters underwater. Number 2. Our second best pick is Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera. If you are looking for an affordable action camera for kids, Dragon Touch 4K Action Camera is the ideal deal. Especially if you are planning to give it to a neighbor's kid or a friend's kid and you are on a tight budget, go for this one. Do not worry about the quality of the pictures and the videos that it can shoot. Backed with high-definition pictures and great image stabilization, it is the best action camera for young adults too. If you are giving it to a young adult, the wrist remote control action of this camera will appeal to them greatly. Since it is the best sports camera for kids, it records action even when the kids are involved in outdoor sports activities. It has Wi-Fi with a 2-inch screen that helps your kids reach the network in remote places too. So sharing their travel experiences with this camera won't be a hassle. How can one forget that rain and snow attack when one is least prepared? Well, this kid-friendly action camera is well prepared for weather trouble. You can simply lock the item in the waterproof case and no damage will occur. Number 3. Our third best pick is DJI Osmo Action 4K Action Cam 12MP Digital Camera. The ideal way that kids use a camera is by being unbothered by the equipment. They are souls who are unmarried and want to live life to the maximum. So why spoil their fun? As parents, you can give your free birds the DJI Osmo Action, one of the most popular video cameras for kids. It has received raving reviews for its quickness and efficiency by pressing just a button. When the camera offers you a great frame, user-friendly display, and smooth performance, why not grab it? If you are looking for a GoPro alternative for your kids, give your child this amazing action camera to take on the whole world. This camera comes with a stunning feature of dual camera systems. Yes, you heard it right. The front camera offers you the performance of a lifetime. Your kids can shoot themselves anytime and anywhere without any help. The back camera has a crystal clear, hyper-responsive display which will give you versatile usages. This is easily the best kids vlogging camera for those who love the effect of slow motion. Social media fans who love the clarity and smooth performing camera for shooting slow motion videos can buy this masterpiece. It provides 8x slow motion with 1080p resolution and 240 frames per second. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is GoPro Hero 7 White Waterproof Digital Action Camera. With a smart capture superpower and the oh-so-smooth footage, GoPro Hero 7 is our favorite. Available in white body color with camera qualities that only give you the best experiences, this item is one of the best GoPro for kids. Sometimes, adults get confused about what to give and what not to. With dozens of GoPro models in the market, we have taken the responsibility to choose the best action camera for your kid. Once you give your kids this one, you will become their favorite parent. Pros. This item has a stunning video capture resolution of 1080p and Bluetooth connectivity technology. When your kid screams for the most popular camera with high-end features, GoPro Hero 7 is the best gift for them. Your kid will be the next superstar with its voice control features. They can easily make their videos in 14 different languages. Cool, isn't it? When you are wondering which GoPro is the best for beginners, this one will be a happy purchase. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is GoPro Hero 9 Black, e-commerce packaging, waterproof action camera. It is not wrong to say that GoPro makes the best action camera for kids. This could be the best birthday gift for kids, and let us assure you they're going to love it. This item is built for adventurous activities like a good hike, long distance travel, etc., and well, we can say it will record the most dynamic videos ever. It has special features like wireless connectivity and image stabilization that help the kids have a lot of fun with the new cameras. It gives you a 5K resolution while shooting outdoors and indoors. When you zoom in, the picture quality remains perfect. There are great details in the picture clicked or the video that is shot. You can see the camera clicking pictures that are lifelike, image sharp, fluid in motion, and many such amazing details. Truthfully, it is the best GoPro for kids. Your kid will be able to capture pro quality photos at 20MP clarity. Don't worry about the crispness and image processing. It is very easy to nail a great picture with Hero 9 Black. This GoPro head camera has a front display and rear touch screen that is simple to use. If you are giving it to a 12-13-year-old, it is the best option in the market. They easily pick up the handling of this camera and also learn camera control. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.